In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Otter AI with Microsoft Teams. Whether you're looking to enhance your productivity or ensure you never miss a detail during meetings, integrating Otter AI with Microsoft Teams can be a game changer. Let's dive in. First, go ahead and open Microsoft Teams. If you've regularly used Teams, you know it's your hub for team collaboration, from meetings to chat, and so much more. Now, what we're going to do is enhance that experience with the dynamic tools otter.ai offers. In Microsoft Teams, you'll notice a left sidebar. Look for the section labeled Apps. Clicking here will open a world of integrated tools and applications to explore. For our purpose, we'll focus on integrating Otter AI, which is all about transcription and live captions. Now, go to the search bar within this Apps section and type in Otter AI. Once it pops up in your search results, click on Add. This expands Teams functionality by bringing in a robust AI-powered transcription service right to your fingertips. After that, it's essential to authorize and connect your otter.ai account with Microsoft Teams. So sign into your otter.ai account. If you don't already have an account, this is a great time to create one. It's quick and straightforward. By signing in, you're enabling Otter AI to work seamlessly with Teams, ensuring all permissions are set up correctly to provide live transcription. With Otter properly integrated and authorized, you can proceed as you normally would. Start a Microsoft Teams meeting following your usual steps. Whether you're initiating a meeting or joining one, these next steps will apply to either scenario. During your meeting, navigate back to the otter.ai app within Teams. Open the app interface during any point in your meeting. Here's where the magic happens. Once you're ready, you'll see an option to record, start transcription. Click on it to activate Otter AI's powerful transcription services. As soon as you hit that button, otter.ai will start generating live captions and a real-time transcript. This feature is especially useful for participants who prefer reading to listening or for visually capturing the meeting's dialogue to ensure nothing is missed. It's a great tool for accessibility too, as well as for reviewing meeting content later. And that's all there is to it. Using Otter AI in conjunction with Microsoft Teams is a seamless way to enhance the efficiency and accessibility of your meetings. You'll have all your transcriptions saved and easily accessible, providing clarity and ensuring that all team members are on the same page. With these steps, you're all set to start using Otter AI with Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, and happy transcribing.